Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in the Dollar Tree to see what new things I can find here. I'm just actually browsing today guys, and I did come across these little gift boxes right here. You get 2-piece, a gift box in one. They have this one right here. They also have this one that says Merry Christmas. I also see that they have different ones with the snowman and the penguin on it. Also with the little mistletoe. And they also have this one right here with Santa that's saying ho ho ho. Alright, if you're looking for gift boxes, they have tons and tons of gift boxes here. Let's see here, they have, I think it's maybe like 5 or 6 gift boxes in one. But they have them in different colors and different ones, guys. They have them all in those. As you can see. And they still have some of the wine bottle bags there. These ones right here. Alright guys, so I see that they have the narwhal pom-pom keychains right here. So they have this little purple one right here. I think that's a whale. Or, yes, a whale. Pretty much all of them are whales, but they have them in pink, purple, white. They have this different color one right here. I think this should be in another box, but they have that. They have the red one here, and they also have the one in black. Also, I see these fun keychains right here in the shape of different animals. But this one right here looks like an elephant. They have this one right here. If I'm not mistaken, I think they're all unicorns, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they're all unicorn heads, guys. I'm sorry. But they have that light pink one there. They have the purple. They have the red. And I think they have a gold one as well. Yeah, they have a gold one there. Also, see this ring holder right here in gold. It's a little kitten. I'll take it out of the bag so you can actually see it. Okay, but that's what it looks like, and it's a ring holder. It's in gold. Alright guys, so I see that they've started putting out their 2020 calendars here, but you get a 2-pack of the 2020 calendars. And this is what they all look like on the inside, the pictures. And it's a 2-pack. You get a small 12-month calendar, and you get a bigger one as well. And these are what the pictures look like on the inside, but they have several ones. They have the ones with inspirational quotes, tropical beaches. They have scenic wonders, tropical islands. They even have one down there that says emojis on those. They have one that says wild and free. Make today amazing. And they also have that one down there with the wine glasses on it. But if you look on the back, they have different pictures of these. Like this one down here that says wild and free. It has different little sayings on each month, which is very cute. But they have wild and free. Let's see here, they have the Enjoy the Journey. They have this one right here, Begin Each Day with a Grateful Heart. These are very cute, guys. And also the wine one right here, if you didn't see the wine one earlier. But this is all of the pictures are on the inside. Those are very cute. Let me make sure I let you guys see these. This is what they look like. Alright guys, so I was scanning, looking through the stickers here, and I see they have the crafted square. But look at those. Those are very nice. It's a 9 count. They're handmade. And those will be nice for your journal or for your calendar. These are very nice. Very nice colors. With butterflies, birds, roses, things of that nature. Those are very cute. I see that they've added another self-adhesive stencil right here. It says love, daydream, hello sunshine, love and happiness, and do what you love what you do. And of course they still have the this one right here that's still here. They have these stickers right here. This is a 59 count. It has trip, on the road, but those are very nice. And there's 59 stickers here. And I don't see, well, actually they have more. They have these right here. 4th of July is coming up pretty soon, so they have these here. And let's see here, they have happy birthday ones here. They have those right there, which are very pretty. And let's see here, they have spring. And that's pretty much it. Those are all the ones they have. But those are very pretty. They also have the different sports. They have those. And I think I saw one more. They have summer. Alright guys, so I also see this My Plan, My Way sticker book here. It comes with 6 sheets here. But you get this one right here. They also have that one right there. It's a sticker book, Home Life, 6 sheets. They also have the ones with seasons. And that's pretty much it. But they have the Mom Life, they have the Home Life, and they have the seasons ones. Those are very nice for like your, if you're journaling, to put in your calendar. But the Mom Life would be great, the Home Life, and the seasons. Alright guys, so I see more stickers here. They have these ones right here. Those are very cute, if you can actually see those. Let's see if they have any more. They have these right here. Those are very nice. Look at the camera here. Smile, Bon Voyage. They have those. Those are very cute. They have these right here that says Chick Happens, Friends Forever. And I think they have the unicorn ones down here. Look at those. Those are pretty. Very nice. But I love this one right here. I love this one right here. That's very cute. And I also love this one right here with the little eyelashes, the little girly type things. Those are very nice. Alright guys, so I see that they have some little new eyeshadows here. Magic Glam, the Color Workshop. But they have them in all those different colors right there. I see the little gray. I see the purple, the green. And they also have highlighters as well. Alright guys, so this is a new find. This is a lip gloss set here. You get 1 lip gloss, collect all 5, but they have them in different ones. They also have the graphic gloss right here. They have the little nails here, 12 stick-on nails. They have them in different colors. They have them in purple and pink. Alright guys, so I see that they have some wall hooks right here. It holds up to 12 pounds. But they have this one right here. I see this one right here, this color here. They have this color right here, which is very pretty. And they also have this one right here. That's very nice. And I see that they have some candles here. They have the peppermint starlight. They have the chestnut clove. I also see that they have the winter pine. And I'm not sure if I've seen these before, guys, but these are the Pillsbury chocolate chip cookies, scented candles, but they have them in the chocolate chip cookie one. And I also see a iced cinnamon roll. And those are the only 2 that I see, guys. And I think I showed these in my last haul right here. These are the actual pictures with the little pom-poms on the inside. And of course they have new trinket dishes here. And they have these little pictures right here. It says Wild and Free. They have this one right here that says strong is the new pretty. I think those are very cute. Alright guys, so I see that they have a new find here. These are Be a Mermaid and Make Waves, but these are like little 10 gift boxes here. But they have this one right here. And I also see this one right here in the unicorn.
Are you on?
No, go ahead. But it's the 10 gift box here. And they have a lot of things here that are new, but they have them like all over the place, guys. I see that they have this unicorn poop right here. Artificially flavored marshmallows. They also have the Crush Yum. They're Jiggly Pals here. That comes in 2. And you get a purple and you get a blue one. And they also have a lip balm here. That's what it looks like. It has the eyes and it color changing mood lip balm. Alright guys, so I'm just finding all new things. They have these little shadow boxes right here. It says Hunts are special in heart. They have this one right here, Nurses We Call the Shots. And they also have this one right here, Dream Big, Little One. And those are the only ones that I see. And they also have these little double-sided street signs right here. It says Stay Sharp. That's what it says. This one says But First. Tacos. 1 in a million. You Walk My World. It's very cute. These are sticker pads here, where you can actually stick different things on it. Double-sided street signs, actually. And they come, one side is a different one. This one says Stay Sharp, and the other side it says Stick To. That one says But First Tacos. And then on the back it says You Walk My World. 1 in a million. And it says Life is a Peach. They also have these little last minute gifts right here. This 2-piece, it looks like a lotion, actually a conditioner and a shampoo, but they have it in vanilla, cherry blossom scent, and they have it in fresh scent here. And I see these little trash cans here. I don't think these are new, but I've seen these before, but they come in purple and pink. And you can put like little different things in those. They have these shimmer bracelets right here in purple. Alright guys, I'm on the last aisle here and I see these little spiral notepads here. They have the Eat, Drink, and Be Thankful. They have that one right there. They have this one right here that says Spring Things Up. And I think those are the only 2 that I see, guys, but I think those are very cute. Yeah, those are the only 2 that I see. I see that they have so much stuff here, guys. They just pretty much have thrown stuff all over. But they also have the Disney Frozen Jumbo Eraser. And that's a big eraser. And they have the Disney Princess Eraser. But they have a lot of things in here. Actually for like stocking stuffers or anything like that. They have these magical page markers here. These ones right here. Those are very cute. And they're all in the same ones here. They also have these little pouches here. Those are very cute. It comes in dog faces. They have these right here. They have the German Shepherd one. I think those are very cute. Alright guys, so I just wanted to take a little quick walk through the Dollar Tree and see what they have to offer. I did see some new little snacks here. They start selling the Cliff Bars. I'm not sure if they've been here before, but they have the Cliff Bars in here. Crunchy peanut butter. They have the white chocolate macadamia nut. And those are the only two that I see. They have a lot of the little Grayton original crackers here. They have the original and they have the sesame ones. This is what they look like. And I also saw the salt and pepper cashews, which I think these are very good, but they're salt and pepper. They also have the jalapeno ones. And they have the wonderful pistachios here. They have them in salt and pepper. They have them in sweet and chili. And they have the regular ones. But guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. If you're returning, go ahead and share this video with your friends and family. And as always, guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you the next time. These are really good right here. Anything with chocolate and coconut. I'm not a chocolate fan, but I love if something is mixed with it, and I think coconut and chocolate is a great combination. But thank you so much, guys, for stopping by my channel, and I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye, guys.